Hi, let me show you a condiment box from Royal Catering. A device, well, very useful in any place that serves food, really. You can see it in a bar, in a restaurant, in a bistro, and I really like to use these things in the kitchen. For one reason particularly, if you put it in front of you, you can do your garnish inside and you can organize your workflow a lot better. First of all, you have everything in one spot, and then again, everything is ready on hand, and you can organize yourself the way you want it. One more cool feature is the fact that you have this lid, so you can just close it up and down. So when you don't need it at that particular moment, you close the lid and you protect all your garnishes from dust, debris or insects, especially in the summer, and especially when you're using fruits behind the bar. Of course, after service, you just close the lid and you put the whole thing in the fridge. This particular model is all stainless steel with a nice matte finish to it. It has 4 inserts that you can take out. They're all stainless steel. So after service, when they're empty, when you need to clean it, just pop it in a dishwasher, give it a run or two, and they will be nicely clean and sanitized. One thing to remember is to dry them properly. Just use some paper towel or something like that. Alrighty, so if you're looking for a condiment box, or if you're trying to organize your kitchen or a bar, just have a look at the website, because there's a lot of these devices on offer with different configurations, with more containers or less containers, bigger, smaller. So you definitely find the one that you need for your venue. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, and if you order it, they will come in a really crafty cardboard box, just like this one. There's nothing that can break, so you can be sure that it will arrive at your place safe and sound. For additional safety, there is some packaging material in it, but it's all stainless steel, so don't need to worry about it. Alright, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.